It was a cold, freezing winter evening, 35 years ago. At a place called Kurosaka, a group of women and young girls worked in a hemp factory. A hemp factory is a place where they made things from the fibers of the hemp plant, like rope or cloth. After their long day work was over, they gathered together in the spinning room, the room where they spun the hemp into thread. To keep warm, they sat close to a big brazier. A brazier is like a large metal pot used for burning coal to heat a room. To pass the time, they started telling ghost stories. You know how it is. People love a good scary story on a dark, chilly night. They took turns sharing spooky tales, and soon they had told about a dozen stories. But then something funny happened. Most of the women started to feel uneasy. You can imagine the room getting quieter, everyone glancing around nervously. Suddenly, one girl broke the tension by calling out, "Just imagine going to the Yurei-Daki all by yourself on a night like this." Yurei-Daki, remember, is that the spooky cascade of ghosts we talked about earlier. Her words made everyone scream, but it was one of those screams that's mixed with laughter. It's like when you're scared, but you're also having fun. Afterward, the women nervously laughed, trying to shake off the fear.